it's Irina Z, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first Zap in Zapier. So what you're going to want to need is a Zapier account, and what you're going to do is when you are in the Zapier dashboard, you're going to go over here and make a Zap. The next thing that you're going to want to do is select ClickFunnels, so you can search it right over here, and you'll be able to select new failed purchases, new contact activity, and new successful purchases. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and select new contact activity and click Save and Continue. The next thing that you're going to want to do is connect your account. So you'll go ahead and select your account. This is a demo, so there are a variety of accounts available right here. So for example, we'll just go ahead and select this and see if we can create the connection. Here it is, it's connected, and you will see this turn green. The next thing you'll do is click Save and Continue. On this step, you will be able to select which funnel you would like to watch for the new contacts, and you'll be able to select the funnel step where the contacts will be coming from via Zapier. So we'll drop this down, and we'll have all our webinar registration registrants go ahead and be on the Zap. Okay, so this is just for example, it's going to look different on your side, and then we'll go ahead and click Continue. Now right over here, you're going to want to make sure that you have at least one recent contact created, and you want to make sure that it matches the trigger options that you picked below. So for this example, I went ahead and skipped the test, but what you can do is pull in by retesting ClickFunnels and pulling in some of those contacts. So right over here, we'll go ahead and click Continue, and we'll be able to continue setting up the first Zap, okay? Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is set up an action step. Now what you're going to do is it'll prompt you to say that your Zap currently lacks an action step, and if you want to add one, so we'll go ahead and add one. And the action step is going to transfer the contacts from ClickFunnels to an app, so you'll be able to choose an app. So as you can see, there are different apps to choose from, and you could go ahead and search different apps. So for this one, for example, we'll just go ahead and select a Google Sheet, and what you can do is create a spreadsheet, update a spreadsheet row, or look up a spreadsheet row. So you'll be able to go ahead and select any of these. So we'll just go ahead and save and continue. And over here, you'll be able to go ahead and connect to some Google Sheet accounts. All right, so you'll go ahead and select the Google Sheet, and then you go ahead and click Save and Continue. And then you'll be able to set up the rest of your actions within the app. So you'll just go ahead through the prompts. So here, and you'll be able to select a sheet and fill in the rest of the optional fields. Go ahead and click Continue. And this is what it would look like. So this is the Send Test Spreadsheet row to Google Sheets. So you could go ahead and test it to send the test to Google Sheets, but for this example, we're just going to go ahead and skip the test, and we're going to go ahead and click Finish. Now you'll be able to name your Zap. So we'll just go ahead and name this Demo, and you'll be able to select a folder where you would like this to go. Now make sure that your Zap is turned on, so it is a working Zap, that it's working, and now the Zap is on, and you have officially created your first Zap with Zapier. If you run into any trouble with this, please reach out to our support team, and we'd be more than happy to help.